is another rather simple day. We are just at the beach for the morning, and then we're heading to scuba diving this afternoon for 2 dives. That's who knows? There's going to be one wreck dive, and I think it's a simple dive because we got some fellow certification, some fellow peeps that are doing their PADI certification, open water. So we'll probably dive with them. Our Quebec friends that we just made. They'll be doing their open water, so we might get one dive in with them, and then we'll be off to a more advanced dive. I think Lionel mentioned that we might be doing a cavern dive, so who knows? Hopefully we get there. Um, and that's pretty much the day. We have dinner at a Cuban restaurant tonight. Uh, yeah, 5 or 6 days, 5 days of pasta. It's just getting rough, but it's all right. What do you expect? Um, Other than that, tomorrow's another beach day, relaxing day, and one dive. And that's pretty much. We have an early flight on Thursday morning. Gotta be at the lobby at 7 a.m. And then we'll head back. Man, can't believe it's almost over. So much fun here. So chilled, so relaxed. And nothing beats this life. Anyways, catch you when we go diving. Ciao. All right, we just finished cleaning our gear. Stumped it in the tub, and it's just drying off.
Off to the buffet.
After the buffet, we are
Past the time.
heading to the buffet. Sorry.
I'm hungry. And then we eat at 9 o'clock.
We eat at 9 o'clock again. Hopefully, our
Is it Mediterranean?
no Cuban.
Oh, Cuban?
Cuban.
Okay.
And that dive was shit. Honestly, second dive was pretty bad.
The second was like
So rushed.
they're just like, okay, go, go, go.
Go 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 go
And
go.
I'm like, what's going on?
We need to rest. You need at least a half an hour to rest. Like, what the fuck, man? Colin was like
Surface
dizzy.
interval 5 minutes.
At least.
Or less.
Oh man, they just threw us back in. Fucking. Oops, sorry.
I mean, we'll edit that out. But
Dude, man, Colin fell over the boat.
I just fell into the
He
water.
fell into the
I was
water.
like,
Oh god. And then-
forget it. I was like, forget it. And just like fell sideways.
And then I fell with my
And I
left
was
leg
like-
first in. Which is
I
not
was
good.
like, huh? What's happening?
Yeah, poor Colin, man.
Halfway through the dive, I'm burping.
Gripping. But,
Burping into the reg.
yep. Alright.
To the buffet.
To the buffet. To the buffet. Double meal tonight. Double meal. Yeah. Not a good day today. Hopefully we get our money back.
Oh, it would only like 20. It's like 20.
That's still 20.
20 is 20.
20 I can give to the cleaners
Oh yeah.
for a whole week. That's like their month.
He said it shouldn't be a problem. So we talked to the chick tomorrow.
Well, he can speak for us too.
Okay. Oh.
Like,
Oh, we got that one? Yeah.
let you know.
Of course, he said we can get our money back.
Alright. Food, replenish.
Food, hungry,
Then hungry.
from diving.
Diving. Alright, my
yeah.
Cuban dive experience is
Not so great.
that's it. That's it.
That's it.
No more. No more.
The shark one, maybe we'll see
Maybe.
in like another place, but
I don't know. I don't know about that now. They must throw us in there and let us get killed instead.
yeah. Okay, man. Now that you mention it like that,
What's going on here? Oh, it's the red carpet. Gracias. All right. Where's she? Oh, she's there. I see.
she's
Right.
there.
All right, same spot. Take your spots again.
There she is. Oh, we're here. This is our spot.
This is our spot. Yo. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. Well, a long day's work. Here we go. What do you say, sir?
I say that let's eat.
Let's eat. Hey, my hero.
Your hero's here. Heroes in the video. Everybody has their own seats. We always take this seat, and that's his seat.
I'm gonna go with the corn milled in different spices and pork cracklings. Then shrimps with butter sauce. Then I'm gonna end it off with some homemade vanilla pudding. Cornmeal, which is no different from my buffet meal. But it does say Cuba on it. What? Alright. Stay tuned for the entree. The main course is here. This is the shrimp. Oh, Colin is vlogging too. He's a vlogger.
And I see this. It's got some shrimp and some fried rice. I got the corn.
The pork and some fried rice.
Okay,
Hey.
let's do this.
Alright. Colin?
Nothing. Corn.
It's dry.
Yeah.
It's alright. All done. This is the dessert. This is the homemade vanilla. It looks
Good.
good, right, sir?
Really good.
All right. Ciao.
We'll see how it is.
Gracias.
I'm sure it's great.